My name is Nello Cristianini. I am a professor of artificial intelligence at the University of Bristol. Great question. You're asking me, is mimicking or simulating as good as actually thinking or understanding? And that's a great question. This is at the core of what we are doing in artificial intelligence. We build systems, for example, I give you a general question. We build a system that can translate a document from French into English. I can tell you now that the system, the computer, has no understanding of the meaning and the contents of this document, or the purpose of the document. But the translation can be understood by a person. No understanding is needed. But if you are an external person with no knowledge of computer science, maybe from 100 years ago, you will obviously assume the machine has understood the contents and translated it. There is no other way to explain the performance of the system. If you ask a question to Siri, you know that it's a mechanism, and the mechanism will understand your question and construct an answer and deliver it. No understanding. If you ask what's the best Italian restaurant in Bristol, you get an answer based on reviews. The system has no idea. Never eaten there, doesn't know. But the experience of the user may be very different. So you are asking me, if we pretty much get to the point in which people think the machine understands them, is this good enough? So there has to be an amount of deception, which is at the core of Turing test for what makes a machine intelligent. Turing proposed this test in 1950. How do you know a machine is intelligent? Well, if you cannot tell it apart from a person. That was really the core of the test. If you can't tell it apart, then it is intelligent. So one of the first demonstrations of intelligent software in the 60s was a software called ELIZA that was an analyst. You would type your feelings and the machine would ask you questions, and you would start having this empathic relation. And it was obviously a demonstration of a software having a conversation with a person, and every time the system didn't understand, they would just ask you one more question, like analysts would do. Analyzing the transcripts, people found that some individuals felt they were being understood. Some individuals spoke to it. If you read the questions Google get, or Bing, or Yahoo, some of the questions are not in the tone that you would use with a machine. There are questions that understand empathy. Do you think I should do this? How do you think I should? There is some amount of people. There are some amount of people who are already treating machines in this way. And we are designing teddy bears and toys for the children of the future that will have something inside, like a Siri, and a child probably growing up with a teddy bear might end up having a relation with the machine and asking questions and trusting it. So you say, could we get to the point one day in which the machines reproduce human relationships so closely that we relate with them emotionally? Well, I don't feel any emotional response to the machine. I never have, but I know there are researchers who are very serious researchers working on this very question. And I have to be honest, it's open. We don't know the answer.